Let's take a look at a few standout innovations in Samsung appliances. The Beverage Center is our innovation that gives you access to water in two ways. You can use the water dispenser or the autofill water pitcher that automatically refills itself. And you can even add fruit slices or tea leaves to the built-in infuser for refreshing flavored water. We also created our dual ice maker so you have two types of ice, classic cubed ice and ice bites.
For our cooktops and ranges, we have illuminated knobs, created to let you know from a distance if you've left your stovetop on. You can monitor your cooktop remotely for more peace of mind. Even doing dishes has gotten smarter with Samsung. We engineered Smart Dry with auto-release door, designed to deliver 2.5 times better drying performance. It intelligently senses and adjusts drying temperature and time to avoid wasting energy, and automatically opens the dishwasher door during the last 5 to 15 minutes of the cycle for an improved drying performance.
This is our bespoke AI front-load washer and dryer, meticulously designed to take the guesswork out of laundry. We have this sensor. It allows our AI OptiWash technology to detect how dirty your clothes are in the washer, and then uses 4 other variables to adjust performance for optimal cleaning. Our proprietary AI technology determines the right amount of detergent and washing time to clean your load of laundry, all to help you take the guesswork out of cycle selection.
Our bespoke jet stick vacuum features an all-in-one clean station that empties the vacuum dustbin with a push of a button. This helps prevent the dust you just cleaned up from flying back into the air. Throughout the home, all of these innovative details make a big impact.